it has been quite a while since I made a video, so I thought that I better get in here and get one done because I haven't done one in a long time. So today we're going to make a key fob. It is a pumpkin applique key fob. So the first things that you're going to need for this project, you are going to need an embroidery machine, and you're going to need 3 colors. You're going to need orange, green, and black. Really basic. Some basic adhesive you're probably going to want to use unless you use Scotch tape. Tearaway stabilizer, hooped in your 4x4 hoop, and you will need white for the front of the key fob, white for the back when we close it all up, and then you're going to want a piece of orange to go right over the top because this is going to be our applique piece. Super cute, super easy. One of the first things you want to do when you're working on a project is make sure you check your needle and make sure that you clean your machine in between projects. So I had some fuzz buildup in there that I had to clean out, and I did have to change my needle out. So now I have my pumpkin loaded into my machine, and you can see that it's about 10 minutes and it's about just a little over 3,500 stitches. Super cute. Now I am going to tell you that with this one I did enlarge it just a hair. I like my key fobs to be a little hefty, so let's get our first placement stitches down, shall we?
Just somebody longing for someone to hold me. It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better.
So now we are going to lift up our presser foot, and we're going to take our hoop out. And you are, I don't know if you can see it or not. So we are going to just very gently trim all around these little stitches, and then we'll come back and we will start doing the rest of this. I will tell you that, you know, I found it pretty challenging to cut this little mouse head out. I don't know. Maybe it was just me.
A whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you wanna run away. Oh, and I'm so thankful that you found me. Crazy, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better.
Okay, so now it's gone through and it's stitched all this in, and it gives it such a 3D appearance, and it just makes it look really awesome. So the thread has been changed. We are now onto the black. I have trimmed up any jump stitches. So we're going to lower our presser foot. We're going to press start, and away we go.
A whole lot better. A whole lot better. Waist deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better.
So we have finished all of our colors. We've got our eyes, our nose, our mouth. We've got our stem in, and we are appliqued. Now we are going to pull this off of the machine, clean up any jump stitches that are left, and we are going to attach a piece of faux leather to the back, change our thread out to orange, and then it's going to do the final stitch around and seal it all up together. I'm kind of happy with the way it turned out. I think it's cute. So we're going to turn this over and we're going to see the back. So this is what the back looks like. And I usually just come through and I will trim up all these little loose threads. We're just going to give it a nice good spray. We'll add our little fabric on. Now we're going to do the final stitch on this. I'll try to get you guys in here so you can see it.
It could be anybody, but you chose me somehow. Now I'm crazy, thinking about you all the time like crazy.
Okay, so I've removed it from the hoop, and now we are going to
My side, and I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better, a whole lot better. You've seen all my bad sides, yet nothing that I do seems to make you want.
That's why you really want to make sure your scissors are really sharp. And mine just were not that sharp today, but it's still cute. So the next thing, I did not talk about this in the beginning, but you're going to need snaps and pliers. I bought this set on Amazon. I will put a link to it down below. It comes with everything you need. So you have a little instruction pack on the inside. It comes with the pliers that you need. It comes with the awl. You have tweezers. It has a small flathead screwdriver, and that is for changing out the different, if you buy different size snap tabs, it comes with an assortment of different size caps for it. And it is so nice. It comes with the extra rubber pieces, and those are different size too, you can tell there. And then it has an extra dealy bob. I'm not sure what this is. So we have black snaps. So you're going to need your awl. And you're going to need to decide what color you want to put on your snap tab. Do you want to put black on it to go with the eyes? Do you want to put green, orange? I think we have enough orange. So, oh, let me show you the back. I almost forgot. So let me trim these little threads off. So the back is trimmed in orange, and it looks so cute. It's all nice except for all this fluff right here. There we go. Like I said, you gotta have sharp scissors or it won't look great. But anyways, so why don't we could put white on here. We could put yellow. I'm thinking green to go with the little tab. So we're going to need 2 pieces. We're going to need 2 pieces with the points. Or we could do this light green. Nah, we'll just do the dark. So we're going to pull out 2 of those, and then we're going to need a female and the male piece. Okay, So your male piece has the part sticking up. The female is in, of course. Anatomy. What can you say? All right. So then you're going to take, what I do when I do these is I will place my little snap on there to decide exactly where I want it, about right like that.
And I'm so thankful that you found me. Place deep, thinking about you all the time, like crazy, knowing you're here by my side. And I was doing fine on my own, but baby, you make me a whole lot better.
See if it works together, and it does. And now we are going to attach. All right, so here's the parts that I have. So you could just do a single key ring, or you could add the attachment to it. I think this would be cute if it's, we're just going to go ahead and slide that on there like that. Put this through here. And then, dun, 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 dun. Voila, there we go. And we just made a cute little pumpkin snap tab. I think these go cute on backpacks for zipper pulls, lunch boxes. Add them to your key rings, however you want to do them. This is it. Coming soon, because I've been working on snap tabs, I need to do my cutout and add my hardware on this one. It is a mouse head with flowers, a koala bear, and a teddy bear. Already done. We have a hippo, the blue-eyed elephant, isn't that cute? An owl, and a cat. And like I said, I enlarged these just a hair because they're so cute when they are this big. You could put these on anything, makeup bag, your key ring, anything you wanted to, you could add these to. They are so cute. Okay, guys, so that is it for today. I hope everybody has a great Halloween, and I've also started venturing into ambiance videos. So look for my videos of the Haunted Mansion and the pumpkin face. All right, guys, this is Sherry. Thank you for your time. I am glad that you were here with me today. And